On September 27, 2025, officers on airport duty responded to a disturbance where an intoxicated passenger was refusing to get off a plane. What began as a routine request from the flight crew quickly escalated into a physical removal and arrest. This body cam footage shows the entire encounter from initial contact through booking.
Solution. Power on. Touch rear dots together to connect.
Ma'am, let's get up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Grab your stuff. Let's go. Okay?
They don't want you.
They don't want you on the craft. You're heavily intoxicated. You got to go. So let's go.
Back. Female, I prefer the 20 white females, black shirt,
grab my stuff and you can move that way.
No problem. Come on.
Hair.
Let's go.
Move your can you grab my, can you help me?
Where's your bag at?
Why are you yelling at me? I don't know where my bag is. It's up there, and guess what? I have a lot of scuba.
Ma'am, listen. Shut up. Shut up.
Don't shut me up. You. Oh. Wow. I'm getting arrested because I told you. Do you guys see what is happening here? You guys see what is happening? This is not okay. This is not okay. This is why don't come back. No! No! You guys stop this! No! What did you say to me? Oh, God.
It fell off. Everything.
I don't deserve this. You guys don't. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this. Sit up. I will sit up. Stop, dude. Stop. Stop. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Stop. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. What the f is wrong with you people? You guys are f***ing assholes! Fuck you! Stop! Stop! Just stop! Stop! Oh my God! Oh my God! Why are you doing this? Why are you hurting me so much? Why are you hurting me so much? Why are you hurting me so much? Why are you doing this to me? Why? What are you doing? Oh my God, you guys stop! Stop! Please stop! Please.
Just walk.
Just stop!
Just walk.
Just stop! Oh my God! You guys, it hurts! It hurts!
Well, then walk.
I can't!
Just walk.
I can't!
Keep walking.
I can't!
Just keep walking.
I literally... Can you please stop? Please stop! Please! Please!
Keep walking. It's not that hard. We're helping you. Come out, stand up, and walk. Not that hard.
Honey, I'm saying, why do you do this to me? I can't, I'm gonna fall on my face. I'm gonna fall on my face.
Stand up.
I can't!
Stand up.
Imagine how this would have been if you would have just cooperated and just got up and left.
Keep walking. Stand up and walk. Okay, stand up and walk. Oh, wait, you're making it harder on yourself. Let's go. We're almost there. We're almost there. Walk.
Please,
Let's go. Stand up. We're almost there.
He's grabbing me.
Okay, then get up on your own.
Can you ask
I
Junior
can't.
Bauer to meet? Let's turn the floor for a female pet down. My
Can
lady.
you let me?
Hey, stand up.
I got it. You alright? Take a deep breath for me. I'm Sergeant Clee. I'm the supervisor on this shift. Do you understand that these are law enforcement officers? It's a yes or no question. Do you understand these are law enforcement officers?
He's hurting me.
He's trying to take your rings off because they have to come off one way or the other. Do you understand these are law enforcement officers?
Yes.
Okay. Were you asked to get off the plane by the flight crew?
What?
Were you asked to get off the plane by the flight crew?
Yeah, I can listen again.
Okay. When we actually get off the plane, the reason you're in this position is because instead of just doing what you were asked, you decided to fight us. You understand that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hurt?
Am I what?
Are you hurt? Are you broken, bleeding, anything like that? Do you have any?
Oh yeah, it's,
Oh wait, I think you
yeah, no, off. You. What are you doing right now?
He's not doing anything.
Yeah, he is. He's putting me down in my fucking, yeah, what is
Turn
he
around.
doing right now?
You're not going to talk to my deputy that way because you didn't decide to make the right decisions today.
What is he doing to me right now?
He's making sure that you are secure against the vehicle because you've shown that you
So
cannot
he's
even
hurting
stand.
me.
He's not hurting you at all, ma'am.
You're not, like, that hurts. Like, it hurts.
Like what?
No, my arm where you f***ing rape and pillage girls.
Well, how about this? If you would have
That,
just got up and
no,
did what
that
you were supposed
hurts.
to do, you wouldn't be here.
Baby, guess what? I can feel you. You're a rape and pillager. You f***ing hurt girls. I can see you. You f***ing hurt girls.
You requested Junior Bauer to come around?
I can feel it. You hurt girls. Good for you. You f***ing asshole.
I just need to open your bag.
All right, then go ahead.
What's the code?
I don't know.
How do you not know the lock code to your bag?
Why do you have my f***ing bag?
Because you're under arrest.
It hurts a lot. I want to go. I'm not supposed to be here.
Officers immediately issue clear verbal commands. Ma'am, let's get up. Let's go. The subject, visibly intoxicated, refuses and demands to know why she is being asked to leave. Under Florida Statute Section 856.011, disorderly intoxication occurs when a person is impaired in a public place and disturbs the peace. An aircraft cabin qualifies. The flight crew's request provided officers with lawful authority to assist in removal. Notice the officers maintain a reactionary gap and use multiple verbal attempts before any physical contact. The situation escalates. The subject actively resists standing and walking. Officers transition to soft, empty hand control, guiding her arms and assisting forward movement. This is consistent with the use of force continuum. The Supreme Court in Graham v. Connor established that reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment, including the subject's visible intoxication and refusal to comply with lawful orders. No strikes, tasers, or excessive force are used, only controlled guidance. Sergeant Clee, the shift supervisor, takes charge. He clearly advises the subject that these are law enforcement officers and asks if she understands. This satisfies constitutional due process requirements. He explains the reason for her position, refusal to cooperate, led to physical assistance. The subject continues verbal resistance and claims pain, but officers repeatedly instruct her to walk and stand on her own. Once outside, the aircraft officers secure the subject against the vehicle for safety. Handcuffing follows standard procedure. Sergeant Clee again confirms understanding and explains that fighting officers created the current situation. No visible injuries occur. The subject is then placed in the patrol vehicle. This sequence demonstrates proper tactical containment in a high-liability environment.
You put yourself in this position.
I know, but I'm not.
So,
I know, but I'm not supposed to be here.
no, you shouldn't have fought us. 100%. I can agree with you. But you did, and this is the consequences of your actions.
Can I go back to where I was supposed to be?
No.
So
You're going to jail.
What? What? It actually hurts a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna...
Yes, do me a favor.
It actually hurts a lot.
The handcuffs aren't meant to be comfy.
Hey. You.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. Have enough of you. Get in the fucking car.
Ow. Ow.
Where's your travel?
Huh? It's in the trunk. Oh.
The suspect was booked into the county jail and charged with disorderly intoxication and 2 counts of resisting arrest. Under Florida law, these charges require intoxication plus disturbance of the peace and active resistance to officers performing a lawful duty. The footage shows both elements clearly documented. Here, the subject actively refuses to stand despite repeated commands. This meets the elements of resisting as without violence. Handcuff application is textbook. Double lock checked for tightness and explained. No excessive tightening or pain beyond normal handcuff discomfort. In slow motion, we see officers maintaining control without striking or slamming. They literally support the subject's weight as she repeatedly claims she cannot walk. This is de-escalation through assistance rather than escalation. At the time of this analysis, further court outcome remains unknown. Based on the footage, the arrest appears legally justified and tactically sound. The officers, including Sergeant Klee, receive an A- because they maintain lawful authority throughout, used only necessary physical control after exhaustive verbal commands, and documented the subject's intoxication and resistance on camera. Sergeant Klee's clear advisements satisfied constitutional requirements and demonstrated excellent supervisory oversight. They maintained a reactionary gap, coordinated multiple officers effectively in a confined space, and chose de-escalation through assistance rather than escalation. The subject receives a C- because while she had the right to question officers, her refusal to comply with the flight crew's lawful order and subsequent active resistance created the entire escalation. Intoxication does not excuse criminal behavior. She repeatedly refused to stand and walk, despite clear commands, and physical assistance escalated through screaming and unfounded claims of injury, prolonging the encounter unnecessarily. Her actions met the elements of both charged statutes. A compliant exit would have avoided arrest entirely. Lessons learned from this incident. For passengers, even when upset or intoxicated, immediate compliance with lawful crew and law enforcement commands on an aircraft is the safest and smartest choice. Non-compliance in a confined space almost always leads to physical removal and criminal charges. For law enforcement, continued use of calm, repeated verbal direction combined with supervisory presence can prevent unnecessary escalation and injury claims. Documenting every step on body camera remains critical for defending both the arrest and the level of force used. Alcohol-fueled confrontations in travel settings highlight the importance of de-escalation training and clear communication of consequences early in the encounter. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.